Hello friends, today we will learn fundamental building block of Angulars. So let us start. So module in Angular works like a container where we can group related components, directives, pipes and services. So these are the definitions. You can also say a module is a collection of related components, directives, pipe and services. Module is a technique or mechanism to group related components, directives, pipes and services. So every Angular application must have at least one module that is called root module. So when you create a new Angular project, so one root module is automatically created in that application. But if later you want to create module, so there is a command. You can use this command ng generate module and module name. This is the short form, ng gg for generate and m for module, and here put module name. So you are able to generate also module. A module can create using ng module decorator, and the ng module takes a metadata object that describe how to compile the module. Here you can say this is the ng module decorator. We will talk about what is decorator after this. Okay, so ng module have some property declaration, import, export, provided bootstrap, and each have some different work. So let us, what is declaration? So we declare which component, directive and pipe used in this current module. So this is the declaration. Here you can add component. And imports, we can import required other modules with their components, directives and pipes in the current module. So what happened when work on Angular projects, so we need to import multiple modules that is inbuilt, and sometimes your own module you need to import. Providers, when we create service, then we need to declare in providers. So it is available for global collection of services. So you can say services that this module contribute in the global collection of services, bootstraps. What happen when we create modules? So in the root module we need to specify which is the first module to initiate, means bootstrap. So specify the main application root component and needed when bootstrapping the module. Only the root module should set this property. And export this specify declaration and modules which is available for component in other modules. So suppose that you create one module and you want to share or make available components and pipes, services of that module in other module. In that case you need to export. So this is the first fundamental building block of Angular. Second one is component. So what is component? Component is the most basic UI building block of an Angular application. Without component we cannot do anything. So component contains a TypeScript class, HTML page, CSS page, and combination of this it will be able to render a portion of on the screen. You know that Angular is a single page application, so component dynamically render and show on that page. So not a separate page is loaded for that. We can use multiple component in our Angular project to achieve required functionality, as for example dashboard component, login component, header, footer, others. There is depends on requirement. And every component class contains one decorator. Without decorator it is not possible to specify a component class. And decorator is component decorator, and component decorator takes metadata object. So here you can say this is the component decorator and it takes selector, template and a style. And there is a two way. In simple project we in template we directly write HTML code, and for a style we can write a style, but when work on real project we need to specify separate HTML page. Here we can say template URL. Here is template, but here is template URL. So this is the HTML page where we write UI related things. And a style URLs, here URL, but here is URLs, means you can specify more than one style sheet in a style URLs. So here you can say, and selector, here selector is used to identify each component uniquely into the component tree. Suppose that you create one module and lot of components are there, so you need to recognize it. And template URL is the location of HTML page where we create UI. So this is the definition. Let us come to decorator. So what is decorator? An Angular decorator is a function which in which we attach metadata to a class, method, property, parameter. Decorator start with @. So if there is a method and start with @, then it is decorator. So there are four type of decorators, class decorators. So you can learn already learn ng module, component module, ng decorator and component decorator. Okay, so when we doing our practical classes, then we will learn about others decorator. Here is a property decorator, method decorator, parameter decorator. So for this video it's enough. From next session I'll start practicals, so you can see how to create new project, how to create component and other things, and we will elaborate all the things. So thanks for see the video. Thanks.